Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we will use what we have learned from our previous lesson and continue our work in Jira Software. We will take up evaluation and planning work in our project. So first of all, you should go to the previously configured Jira Software, then go to the backlog page right here and create a sprint. Also, you can edit a sprint. Choose the sprint name, duration, like 1 week, for example, start date and end date. And write your sprint goal, like final refinement of the product and its integration into the user's daily life. After all, you can choose the necessary issues for your sprint, for example, and click on the Start Sprint. Before planning, it's necessary to form exceptions for the first sprint content. That's why I have supplemented the list of epics and stories made in the last lesson. It's only for completeness of understanding. So here is the list. You can even prepare a deck of cards that have a numbers like numbers Fibonacci, in which the first two numbers are 0 and 1, and each subsequent number is equal to the sum of two previous numbers. So we will use the following evaluation system. In this system, 0 is a so easy task. Also, this task maybe not need to be in your plan, like it's so easy. Or from 1 to 3, small tasks, from 5 to 13 tasks of medium complexity, and from 20 to 40 it's major tasks, and 100 it's a global task. So in this window you can change your grade or write your grade. When everything is done, we can drop and drag all stories into the necessary sprints. When everything is done, you can start your first sprint. As a result, we did a really good job, so thank you for attention and see you soon. Bye bye.